Hello dear children, welcome to all of you in this maths online class. Dear student, this is our maths online class. I hope you all are well. Okay, and I hope you all are taking care of yourself and yes, as well as your family also. And I hope you all are keeping your hands sanitized also, right? So dear student, please take care of yourself and your family. So this is our maths online class, and in this class today we are going to learn a new topic. Do you know what is a new topic? Our new topic is lines and angles. This is our chapter number 15. This is our chapter number 15, and in this chapter today we will learn about lines and angles. Is it clear? So let's start our chapter. As you can see here, I wrote here few points. P-O-I-N-T point, R-A-Y ray, L-I-N-E line. So first of all, let's learn that what is point, what is ray and what is line. Do you have any idea what are these things? Yes, I am telling here, don't worry. But your point it means that a point is an exact position. Listen to me very carefully. A point, if we talk about a point, so a point is an exact position or location on a plane surface. You can see this is our plane surface. I am using this paper, so this is a plane surface here. So a point is an exact position or location on a plane surface and it is represented by a dot. It is represented by a dot. If I say this is a point, if I say this is a point and I draw here on this flat surface, so the point, it is represented by a dot, D-O-T dot, okay, D-O-T dot. So we represent this point by the dot, okay. So a point has no dimension. Dimension, it means that no length, no width and no height, okay. A point or a dot has no dimensions. All right. Now let's talk about the ray. R-A-Y ray. What is ray? Ray. R-A-Y ray. What is ray? Bachcho, a ray start at one point and continues on forever in one direction. Like if we talk about this one, suppose this is a starting point of a ray, and if it starts from here and go in this direction, so you can say a ray starts at a one point and continues on forever in one direction. You can say the direction of this ray is towards the right side, okay. So you can say it has no definite length. Bachcho, the ray is starting from here and it is moving towards to the right side and there is no end point, okay. There is no end point. This thing is showing here, that means the ray starts from here and it is moving towards to the right side and there is no end point in this direction. So we can say that it has no definite length, okay, and it represent by, suppose if I give here A point and if I am telling here this side B, so you can say this is our ray AB. You can say ray AB and we represent it like this. The direction of this ray from A to B, so we will write here ray AB. Is that clear? Okay, is that clear? Alright. Now what is line? Bachcho, line has no end point. Achha, before moving on line, here I want to tell one point about the ray, that is ray have one end point. Keep this point in your mind that ray has one end point because it starts from one point, okay. There is no another point because it moves in one direction and go ahead, but it has one end point, okay. Ray, it has one end point and we will write it like this. Now let's come to the line. So bachcho, line has no end points and it can be extended in both directions. Suppose if I draw like this, there is no dot. You can see there is no dot. This is moving towards to the both direction. This arrow shows that it is moving in the right direction, and this arrow shows that it is moving in the left direction. Okay, so it means that it has no end point. It have no end point. So it has also no definite length. So we can represent it like this, both side arrow. Okay, in the ray we draw a arrow like this. It means that it starts from A and going in the direction of B. So we will write it like ray AB. But here we are talking about line. Here. So there is no end point. You can see here this is moving towards to the both direction. This arrow shows that this is moving in the right direction continuously, and this arrow shows that it is moving in the left direction continuously. So there is no end point neither in the right side nor in the left side. Okay, and we will write it like AB and arrow in both direction. Is it clear? Okay, now let's talk about the line segment. If we talk about, I am writing here, if we talk about line segment, segment, segment. What is line segment? Segment, it means that a definite part of a line. So basically a line segment is the part of a line, and line segment has always two endpoints. Suppose if I draw here this line, okay, I draw here this line again, this is A and this is B. So what is this? This is not a line segment, this is line, because it is moving in both directions. This is not line segment, this is line only. But if we choose here 2 points like P and Q, so this PQ, I am going to bold it here so you can see it clearly. If we talk about this PQ, so this PQ is here line segment. Okay, this PQ is here line segment. Okay, and line segment have two endpoint. Line segment have how many endpoint? Two. You can see here it starts from P and it is ending here Q. So it means that our line segment is PQ here. AB is line. I repeat again, AB is line and PQ is line segment here. Is that clear? And it cannot extend it in any direction. PQ, this is our line segment. We can't extend, हम इसे extend नहीं कर सकते हैं in both direction. We can't extend in both direction, neither in right or nor in left. Is that clear? And it has definite length. You can see it has definite length, and we can measure it. We can measure it by the ruler or another thing. Okay. It has two endpoints and it has definite length, and we represent it like PQ. Okay, draw a bar. I am writing here again PQ. This is line segment. Okay, now let's see. Let's take all these things in one common example. Suppose this is a dot. Okay. Now if I give here a name A, B again. So what is this? If we talk about only A, so A, what is A? A is here point. A is here point. Now if we talk about AB, so AB ray. What is AB ray? AB ray. But now let's take another example, M and N. So this is what? Line, because it is moving towards in both direction, in right and in left. So this is line. We will write it like M N in this way. Okay, M N. This is line. But if I put here two dot like X and Y, so here what is XY? XY, this is our line segment, and we will write it like this. Is that clear? Okay, dear student, now I am going to teach you various types of line. Okay, I am going to teach you various types of line, so be with me. Now you can see here, I pick here few examples to showing about the various types of lines. Okay, so you can see in the first picture, what is this? This is ruler. What is this? This is ruler. So you can see here, in this ruler there are so many parts, right? And above the ruler, the line that is draw here, that is, you can see this line. Okay, you can see this line. So what is this? This is a line. But which type of line? Here we all are learning about the line. So which type of line? So if we talk about such type of line, so this type of line known as straight line. Okay, known as straight line. STRAIGHT, straight LINE, line. So it is also known as sleeping line. It is also known as sleeping line. We are learning about this straight line. It is also known as sleeping line. So a sleeping line which is drawn from left to right is called straight line, and it is also called horizontal line. So we can say that this straight line is also known as horizontal line, as well as what? Sleeping line and straight line. Is that clear? Now if we talk about this second, you can see this is a vertical line. Okay, you can see, I can draw it again. What is this? This is vertical line. Okay, this is vertical line. VERTICAL, vertical LINE, line. So a standing line which is drawn from top to bottom is called vertical line. Okay, is called vertical line. This is second type of line. So vertical line, we are learning about this one. Vertical line, this is also known as standing line. Is that clear? Now come to the third one. This is slanting. Okay, you can see here, this line. Okay, this black, if we draw the line little bit slant, so a line which is not horizontal and which is not vertical. Okay, a line which is not horizontal nor vertical is a slant line. You can see slant like this or like this. Okay, slant line. And it is also called oblique line. Is that clear? Is that clear? Alright, so we learned here a straight line, vertical line and slanting line. Now come ahead. Now you can see here the fourth type of line. This is curved line. CURVED, curved LINE, line, curved line. You can see here a fish is here and it is floating on these line, curved line. Okay, so this type of line either zigzag or like that. So what are these? These are curved line. So the zigzag is a curved line and it has no fixed path and cannot be drawn with the help of ruler. Is that clear? Alright. Now fifth type of line, that is parallel line. You can see the spelling PARALLEL, parallel LINE, line, parallel line. Bacho, you can see what is this? This is a railway track, right? You can see here. You can see this railway track. These edges are parallel to each other and they will never meet. Okay, they will never meet. So that's why we are calling them here parallel lines. Two lines which are always equidistant. You can see here, these all are arranged here equidistance. Okay, it means that the distance between this and this always be same at any point. Okay, at any point. So two lines which are always equidistant from one another and never meet at any point are called parallel lines. Okay, you can see, that's why I draw here these two lines. So these are the symbol of parallel line. Is that clear? Alright, now come ahead. Now the next one is perpendicular lines. Let's read the spelling. PERPENDICULAR, perpendicular, LINES, lines, perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines, it means that when two lines intersect each other at right angle, it means that when we draw a horizontal line and just above on them we draw a vertical line. So that's why the intersecting point. If we talk about this intersecting point, so they both are intersecting here and they are arranged and they are making here 90-degree angle. They are making here 90-degree angle. So that's why when two lines intersect each other at right angle, that is 90-degree angle, these lines are called perpendicular lines. You can see an example is showing here. This is window, this is window, okay. And if we talk about the window, so this horizontal line and this vertical line, they both are arranged here in perpendicular way, okay. So when two lines intersect each other at right angle, it means that 90-degree angle. Whenever two lines intersecting to each other at 90-degree angle, always known as perpendicular lines. Is that clear? All right. Now let's learn about the last type of line, that is intersecting. INTERSECTING, intersecting, LINES, lines, intersecting lines. So recently we learnt in the perpendicular line, when the two lines cut to each other, at a fixed point known as intersecting line, okay. So you can see this is a line and this is another line and they both are cut to each other here. So this is intersecting point and these two lines known as intersecting lines. You can see the scissor. If this is one part of this scissor and this is another part of this scissor, I am drawing here again. If this is a one part of the scissor and this is another part of the scissor, so you can see they both are joined here. Okay, right? So this point is intersecting point here and this point is intersecting point here. It means that when two lines across each other at a point, but do not make a right angle. Bachcho, in perpendicular line we learned that they always form a 90-degree angle, but in intersecting line that is not compulsory that they always make 90-degree angle. It is not compulsory, okay. They may be make 90-degree angle or they may not be, okay. So but do not make a right angle. These lines are called intersecting. I am repeating again that a point that you have to mark. If two lines intersecting to each other and make 90-degree angle, so these lines always be come under perpendicular line, not intersecting line. Is that clear? Okay. But if we talk about two lines when they always across to each other at a point but never form 90-degree angle, okay. I repeat, when two lines across each other at a point but do not make a right angle, listen to me carefully, do not make a right angle, these lines are called intersecting lines. Is that clear? So dear student, here we learnt well about the point, ray, line segment, line and different types of line here, okay. Now these all things you have to revise yourself. Now we will meet in the next video with more contents, with new contents. Alright, so till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Alright, bye.